In this video, I will show you how to use the NexLev Niche Finder to find unsaturated channels. Specifically, I'll show you how to find channels that started in the last few months and are generating over $10,000 per month, and I'll even give you a few examples of channels in this video that you can easily copy. Now, by the way, if you haven't yet signed up to NexLev, you can use the link down in the description, and at checkout use code SoftwareScope for 20% off of your subscription. So let's just get straight into it. So right here we are inside of NexLev, and specifically we're going to use the Niche Finder tool. They also have a pretty cool Chrome extension and a course, but again we're going to be using the Niche Finder to find untapped niches. So first of all, you have the outlier channels, but the strategy I recommend using for this is just going to channels, then long form channels, and then here set it to all channels, and now go to the filters here and apply the following filters. First, faceless, yes. Kids content, no. Monetization on. Has shorts. I personally will do no, since I want to see the actual views they are getting on their long form views. AI channels doesn't really matter to me. And then the first upload date, I'm going to set it in the last 6 months. And then importantly, the channel metrics, the monthly revenue, we're going to set between $8,000 and $97,000. So that's the monthly revenue on channels started in the last 6 months that are faceless. These are, in my opinion, the best filters, but what you can even do is filter by the quality of videos, for example, low to medium, then the format, so ASMR, compilation, any of this, then the category you can also do right here. So let's just gonna click apply filters, and it actually found 87 results. So again, this is pretty insane. These are channels started in the last 6 months, making between $8,000 and $97,000 per month that are faceless with low to medium quality. So this is the perfect way to find channels, and as I said, I will give you a few examples. You can already see a couple of them right here, but there is one that I think is especially promising right now. But before I get into that, if we just take a look at a channel, you can click on the drop down here. You can see the category they're in. So this one's crime. The days since start, this one has exactly 6 months. They have 92 videos. In the last 7 days, they got 222,000 views. If we take a look at their channel on YouTube, we can see how much they are getting in the last 30 days right here. This one got 1.2 million views. The estimated RPM on this channel is $5. So that's 1,200 times 5. That's about $6,000. So it's not quite $8,000. But if you look at the previous month here, it was $10,000. Then, for example, the second channel right here, if we take a look at how many views this one is getting, this one got in the last 30 days 1.4 million views, and recently it's been getting over 100,000 views per day, but let's say 1.5 million views. Then with an RPM of $7, that is actually going to be a pretty good amount of money. This will actually come out to over $10,000 per month, and this channel started again 180 days ago. So that's how I recommend using NexLev. Now, when you're watching this, these channels may be outdated. There may be a lot of competition in these niches, so I do recommend getting a NexLev subscription yourself. Again, link is in the description, and you can use SoftwareScope for 20% off. But one channel I especially want to point out is this one, since I recently discovered this one and I think it's a super good niche. So the oldest video is 1 month ago. It started 1 month ago. And in terms of channel stats, it's getting 266,000 views in the last month. So not that much. Recently it's been even more right here. You can see it gets between 10 and 30,000 views per day. On average, I would say recently it's probably getting 20,000 views per day. And the RPM on a channel like this is going to be really good because it's Australian finance. So finance is a high RPM. And then it's also about Australia, which is a pretty rich country. So again, RPM is going to be super good on this one. Let's say it's $10. Then this channel is already doing $6,000 a month, starting just 1 month ago. And I think it has potential to go a lot further. Now, the reason I think this is such a good example is because it's specifically about Australia. You could easily copy this to another country such as Canada, Switzerland, even the United States. But with the United States, you could also do specific states. For example, you could do just California or Florida or whatever state you want to do. And one of their most popular videos is what retirement looks like with a $2 million portfolio in Australia. So you could, for example, do what retirement looks like with a $2 million portfolio in California or in every US state. Or this is also a good one, how much money to be rich in whatever country or region you want to do, top 10%, 5%, and 1%. And if you look at these videos, they are super easy to make. They are just a couple of frames and it zooms in, but this is super simple to make overall. So that's how I use NexLev to find untapped niches and unsaturated niches that have very high potential. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And once again, the link to NexLev is down in the description. And if you haven't yet started a subscription, in my opinion, 100% it is worth it. Whether you are a beginner or you already have made some money on faceless automation, I think NexLev is an essential tool to have.